Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to our Outdoors channel. In this video, my son Pat is going to talk about and show you a 3-day survival kit. It's simple and easy and you can avoid being unexpectedly stranded. Now, if you are an outdoors enthusiast, you never know when the unexpected will happen and you may be stranded. So be a good Boy Scout or a Girl Scout and be prepared by putting one of these together for yourself and make it a standard part of your pack. We are also giving away one of these survival kits by drawing from our subscribers. So watch us to the end to find out how to enter for the drawing. And be sure to subscribe to your chance to win. Now be sure to read the video description below for more information and links. Also, we post updates there for additional tips, tricks, and corrections. So please give us your comments. We want to hear what you may suggest or what you want to see. To subscribe, click on that little red icon down in the lower right corner of your screen, and be sure to click or tap on that bell icon so you won't miss anything. So let's get to this.
This is Pat for Gary's Outdoors. I have put together a 3-day survival pack that we're going to show you today. And we'll be back in just a minute when we've got this sorted and ready for you to see how it works. So we've got this laid out on the table here for you. So what I'm going to do is go through these items and show you some basic idea of how they work. First thing I'm going to start with is the orange bag here. Obviously it's bright orange so you can signal yourself if you're stuck in a bad situation. Well, not signal yourself, you can signal for help in a bad situation. You can also, if you add a trash bag to your kit, you can carry water in this. Speaking of water, we have included a life straw. Now this life straw is good for 1,000 gallons and removes all protozoa, heavy metals, and anything that'll make you sick while you're out in the wild. We also have a 3-day supply of food. These are SOS rations. They don't taste good, but they will keep you alive. We've got a basic medical kit here for cuts, bruises, and minor abrasions, along with some triple antibiotic ointment to help keep you from getting an infection. As far as cordage goes, we have a paracord here. The paracord includes a striker and a ferrous rod for getting a fire going. Speaking of fire, we have included 40 waterproof matches, another ferrous rod and striker, and a small knife to aid you with this, along with some instant light tinder. This will take a spark if you spread it out, kind of like a cotton wad. Also, we have included a tarp. This is a 5x7 tarp. This is long enough to keep most people, unless you're super tall, dry. Now when you're using the tarp, you're going to string it up over yourself with the cordage, and you're going to build yourself a pile of branches or soft stuff under there as much as you can to keep the ground from pulling all of the warmth out of your body at night. We've also included a space blanket. Now this kind of works like when you're baking a baked potato. It's reflective, so it reflects your body heat back to you. Another thing I've included is a USB rechargeable flashlight. You don't have to carry batteries. It comes with a micro USB cord. And we're also including a hand crank generator to charge your phone or any other small devices, because you're going to need a way to keep yourself entertained while you're stuck out there. This is chargeable. Yep, the flashlight is absolutely chargeable by this item here. It has a really nice light on it. It's a really well focused light. So when you're looking at this kit, this is not a camping kit. Okay, I designed it to be a 3-day survival kit. So that means it's survival. It sucks. Okay, it's not going to be fun. You're not going to be having a good time. You're not going to be comfortable. You're probably going to be cold and scared. It's there to keep you alive strictly. Okay, so a few extra things we may want to add to your kit. Depending on who you are and what your needs are, you want to bring about 3 days worth of medical supplies. Your meds or anything else that you need to take on a daily basis to maintain your health. I'd recommend you get a nice large trash bag, put that into the kit with it. You can roll it up real small, it's very lightweight. Go to Walmart, get yourself a 99-cent poncho. It's kind of miserable being wet. Nobody likes to be wet, you get colder faster. If you get the chance, go out and get yourself a more substantial, just a folding knife will do. It'll help you with a lot of things, including making tinder. What you can do too is you can go to Walmart or a lot of other places, get yourself a small fishing kit with just some line and some sinkers and some hooks. You can probably find bait under a log somewhere depending on what part of the country you're in. Also, one thing you should always bring with you, depending on what your state rules and your city rules are, Bring yourself a nice firearm. It's always good. You never know when a bear might come out and want to have at you.
Well, thank you for watching this video. If you learned something useful and you got some inspiration, please give us a like and hit that thumbs up icon and share this with your family, friends, and fellow outdoors enthusiasts. Please leave your comments and let me know your questions, suggestions, and what you want to see. Now, to enter for a chance to win this survival kit for free, including shipping, be sure to subscribe and leave your comment below. You must be a subscriber. So in your comment, write, "I want to survive." We will draw the winner and announce it on August 31st, 2019. So please subscribe by clicking on that little red icon down in the lower right corner of your screen, and be sure to click or tap that bell icon so you won't miss anything. Thank you.